It's great to be with you today, and I'm really excited to show you the software. And I think the best way is to just jump in as a student and show you what that experience looks like, and then also as an instructor and share some of the assessment reports with you. And I think through that process, you'll be able to see how Quantum and Wiley Plus work together to help improve student performance. And so you see up here we talk about quantum adaptive learning and assessment. And what do we mean by that? You hear a lot of buzzwords that are being thrown around in the industry. But when we're talking about adaptive learning, we're basically talking about personalized and individualized feedback on student work and being able to examine student work, determine what they're doing right and doing wrong, and then being able to get them onto a solution path that's going to help them have success in the course. And everybody can have a different path as they get it through and learn, and everybody has different ways of learning. And what I would suggest is think about when a student comes to you for help. If typical learning systems today can only at best tell a student whether their answer is right or wrong, and it doesn't give them a whole lot of feedback as to why their answer is right or wrong. Maybe they made a conceptual error, or they were thrown off by a simple math mistake. We can interpret that and be able to get the student to understanding. So that's what we mean when we talk about adaptive learning. Also, how does it complement Wiley Plus? Think about Quantum as kind of the practice area where we can help the student master core concepts and be able to practice repetitively on certain transaction types, things like that. But then it all comes together in the Wiley Plus system in the real-world setting when they start to work on those end-of-chapter problems. So Quantum is something that students would do prior to, say after a lecture, after they've looked at the book, prior to doing homework, they would go in and master core concepts. And mastery is an important concept. It's not just about doing problems. When you challenge students to master the material, that empowers them in a different way. And so that's what we want to be able to accomplish them. And also, again, if you're helping a student, you're not just going to tell them whether their answer is right or wrong. If the student comes to you and sits down with you one-on-one, you're probably going to say, well, let me look over your shoulder and see how you're doing on this problem. If you're going in the right direction, I'll confirm that. If you're completely off track, I'll stop you and help to give you some hints and guide you along the way. And if you have any questions, I can answer those questions for you as well. We do all that within the software, but then we also have what we call How Am I Doing, which is basically a student scorecard that helps them understand what have I mastered and what do I still need to work on, because it doesn't make sense to focus on things that you've already mastered. You want to focus on the areas where you're still weak. We also have assessment reporting then for instructors, and they're very detailed assessment reports because if we're able to understand what mistakes students are making specifically, why not give that back to you in detailed reports so that you can look across your class and say, here's the kind of mistakes that my students are making. That way you can adjust your lesson plans and you can identify those students that need remediation. That's what we're talking about here. So Quantum as an organization is research-based. We actually got our start through funding from the U.S. Department of Education and the National Science Foundation. We were beginning to develop software in the areas of chemistry and mathematics. And since that time, we've branched into accounting over the last, probably 4 years ago, and then we had our partnership with Wiley this past spring. But because we're very research-based in everything that we do, our approach is if we don't see it moving the needle in some way on student performance, we don't build it. We don't add it into the software. If we don't see it somehow making your life more efficient and better, we don't put it in. And so when you talk about research, and we have a lot of published research papers on our site, we're published in peer-reviewed journals, but I'll just hit a couple key highlights here for you here. Quantum is rated as the most helpful resource by students. And so when we ask students that have used the software, everything that you're using, class notes, the tutoring lab, all those things. We're consistently rated as very helpful. And that's important because the last thing that we want is for a student to tell us, you're wasting my time or this isn't helping me. Also, we've done a lot of scientific, rigorous studies that shows that quantum improves test scores at least to full letter grade. And where we're particularly strong is on that accounting cycle early on in the course. And that's important because you want to be able to help students before they get to that big exam, right? Before they have that train wreck and say, uh-oh, I'm having trouble. I'm going to have a lot of difficulty in this course. If we can catch them earlier, especially with the accounting cycle, then they're much more likely to have success in the rest of the course. Hopefully they won't drop the course, and so you'll have reduced attrition rates. We've also been shown to increase student motivation and self-efficacy. And how do we do that? We do that by scaffolding the learner, by being able to give them that step-by-step feedback that I described earlier. And that builds confidence over time, right? Because if we're bad at something, human nature says we're going to avoid it. And so if you think that you're bad in accounting or you can't do accounting, it probably is going to become that self-fulfilling prophecy. But if we can demonstrate little steps and show you success early on, then your confidence will grow over time. And then if you eventually can get where we can take those training wheels off and you're able to demonstrate that you can master this material on your own, then you've got it. And so we've seen studies where students have gone from very, very low to low confidence to very high levels of confidence by using the software. And we've also shown that getting the instructor involved in the process by regularly generating these assessment reports will ultimately help the students. More of your students will master more of the material, and they'll do it in less time. And I can talk about that more. And then lastly, we also do a lot of comparison studies that show that Quantum can outperform other tools that you may be learning and why maybe using. And why is that important? If you think about it, students will, if they do anything, if they read the textbook, if they come to class, they will improve. But the question is, what's going to help them improve the most? And again, we have studies on our site that talk about how do you have the biggest impact. And so when you get into the combination of Quantum and Wiley, the Wiley Plus system, we are able to move the needle on improving student performance.